I am sorry, my mentor. I have failed you.
DIY Perks is a famous British YouTuber known for making homemade projects. Some of his popular videos that you might recognize him from is making a slim PS5, an invisible desk PC, a hobbit house, and the world's largest iPhone. If you don't believe me, go check him out. His YouTube channel is right here in the link below. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and we're gonna get straight into the story time. So I recently received a laptop. It was broken from water damage, and it costed more to actually repair it than to buy a new laptop. It costed $400 more. So I watched a YouTube video from DIY Perks. I was inspired to make a portable monitor because he made a beautiful portable monitor from scratch using things from eBay and Amazon. That's when I decided to actually disassemble my laptop and actually follow through. When I started taking it apart, everything was going smoothly. I was actually able to take the panel off. I plugged it into a controller board. Then I hit an issue. Only the left side was actually working. The right side was black. And I was so confused on why it wasn't working. I even found a YouTube video from 15 years ago from Linus Tech Tips that still didn't work. I spent countless hours trying to figure out what was wrong with it. I was looking up the resolution, the scaling, whatnot, and it was not a software issue. It was a hardware issue. It broke my soul a little bit when I realized that I f***ed up. Because when I was removing the bezel, it was actually one of the ribbon cables on the right side was ripped. And I must have accidentally brute forced it and destroyed it. So next time, when I get another opportunity, I'm going to be extra careful removing the bezel. And I'm going to take it off from the top. But I hope you guys learn from this. I hope you guys don't make the same mistake. But if you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.